In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sounds and vibration. Now you can tap on vibration right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down, click on phone ringtone and tap on vibration section for SIM 1 and SIM 2. This way you can pick one of those vibration patterns for all your incoming calls. You can also disable them by choosing none, or synchronize them with ringtone by clicking on synchronized at the top. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back. Then tap on notification tone and do exactly the same for your notifications. Lastly, select More settings at the bottom and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable standard haptic feedback for incoming calls. You can also click on this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable Vibrate for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!